Today, we are tackling one of the biggest hidden reasons why many visa applications get refused, which is your bank statement. Do you know that one tiny mistake in your bank statement can get your visa application denied, even if you meet every other requirement? Today, I'm breaking down the biggest bank statement mistake that get people refused, especially if you are applying for Canada, UK, US, or Schengen visa. In this video, you will learn why embassies even check your bank statement, 13 common bank statement mistakes that get people refused, real life examples, especially if you are applying from Africa, Asia, or other developing countries, how to prepare your bank statement properly so you don't waste your money on application that will get refused. Are you ready? Get your pen, get your note, let's get into the main topic. Let's quickly talk about why embassies even care about your bank statement in the first place. They check your bank statement to see if you have enough money in your bank statement to support yourself abroad without becoming a burden on their country. They confirm that your funds came from a legitimate source and not fraud, illegal business, or last minute borrowing. Also, they check if you have financial ties to your home country, which helps prove that you are likely to return after your visits or studies. In simple terms, your bank statement is a silent conversation with the visa officer. It shows if you are ready, stable, and responsible in your home country. Because trust me, they don't want you arriving in their country and calling them to say, "Madam Visa Officer, please, I'm hungry. Send me some small dollars to go get some KFC." Now let's get into the mistakes you must avoid. Stay with me till the end because the last mistake is what many agents don't even know, yet is the reason why many people get silent rejections. Mistake number one is insufficient funds. One of the biggest mistake is not having enough money in your account to meet the embassy's requirements. Every country has a minimum proof of funds. For example, let's say Canada may require you to have at least 20,635 Canadian dollars plus your tuition, or the UK requires your tuition plus living expenses, which is around 12,000 euros to 15,000 euros for 9 months. Schengen and US visitor visas may also require proof of funds based on your travel period. If you don't meet this, it's an easy reason for refusal, no matter how confident you are. One thing you should take note of is when you go to the official website of embassies, they may show or tell you the money you need in your bank account for your visa application. Please make sure that you have extra of that money in your bank statement. Please don't go and get the exact money they are talking about on their embassy website. This might be the reason why your visa application might get refused. Make sure you have extra of that, either 3 times of that, 2 times of that, but make sure it's not the exact money you have in your bank account. A follower of mine on Facebook applied for UK visa, but after converting from cedis, he was short by just 80 euros. He thought it would not matter since he was close. Guess what? His visa was refused. He had to reapply and pay visa fee again. Never underestimate embassy requirements. Check the latest exchange rate and ensure you have the right amount plus an extra before you apply. Mistake number 2 is unexplained large deposits. Many people make mistake of suddenly dumping large sums of money into their account right before applying for the visa, thinking the embassy will only look at the final balance. That is a big mistake. Embassies will check where that money came from. A sudden 80,000 cedis or naira deposit without a clear source will raise suspicion that you borrowed the money just because of the visa application. 3 weeks ago, one of my viewers deposited 50,000 cedis cash into her bank account 2 weeks before her application. She had no sale agreement or document to prove. Her visa was refused quickly without explanation. They told her the source of her funds was not explained. If your uncle gives you money, document it. with a gift letter and proof of his source of funds. If you sold a car, keep the sale agreement and transactions record. I made a full tutorial on how to build your bank statement for every visa application, even with only $100. Check the description for the link on how to build your own bank statement for any type of visa application without paying any agent. Mistake number 3 is irregular cash deposit. Some people deposit small amount inconsistently, like 300 cedis today, 700 cedis tomorrow without clear reasons. This can look like you are gathering small donations to appear financially capable, which embassies sees as unstable financial behavior. If you operate a cash-based business, it's understandable, but document it well. Show your business registration, daily sales records, and receipts so you can explain your income source. Kindly take note of that. Mistake number 4 is using dormant account. A dormant account is one that has little or no activity for months or years and suddenly comes alive with big deposits before visa application. Embassies prefer active accounts showing your financial lifestyle. A dormant account suddenly loaded with cash looks suspicious and could lead to refusal. If you must use such a dormant account, start using it for your business or salary well ahead of your application so it has at least 3 to 6 months of consistent activity. Mistake number 5 is fake forged statement. This is a serious mistake. I beg you to avoid this mistake. Many people pay agents who promise bank statement for visa and they generate fake documents using Photoshop. They may work for some people, but if embassies verify with your bank, you could face a 5 to 10-year ban. One Nigerian applicant shared how he was banned from the UK for 10 years because his agent submitted a false statement without telling him. Please, your dreams are too important to risk over shortcut. Always use the new bank statement. Mistake number 6 is mismatch account name. Your bank statement must match your name. If you are funding yourself or your sponsor is funding you, if your uncle is sponsoring you, ensure the statement bears his name and include sponsorship letter, relationship proof, and his source of income. Mistake number 7 is no 28-day maintenance. For UK student visas, funds must remain in the account for at least 20 consecutive days before your application. Many people deposit the money, wait 3 days, and rush to apply. The UK system will automatically refuse your application for not meeting the maintenance requirement. Mistake number 8 is low transaction activity. Having the required funds without any activity can look suspicious. Embassies prefer to see salary deposit, utility payment, regular spending activities. This proves the account is genuinely yours and active. Mistake number 9 is source of funds not clear. Your statement must align with your income. If you claim you earn 3,000 Ghana cedis monthly, but your account shows random deposits with no pattern, it raises doubt. Always align your account with pay slips, business receipts, or your employment contract. Mistake number 10 is inconsistent sponsorship document. Your sponsorship letter, the sponsor's account, and proof of relationship must align. If your uncle is sponsoring you, your document should clearly show that along with his financial capacity. Mistake number 11 is loan funds before application. If you take a loan just before applying, embassies may worry about how you will repay while abroad. If you must use a loan funds, show your repayment plan and your regular income to demonstrate you can handle it. Mistake number 12 is overdraft or negative balance. Handling overdraft or negative balance before topping up your account shows poor financial management. Even if you top up later, embassies may view you as financial unstable, and that alone speaks volumes that you are irresponsible in your home country. Mistake number 13 is incomplete statement. Never submit partial statement or only screenshot. Always provide complete statements for the required month with account name, all pages, bank stamps if possible, or even letters from banks. The biggest hidden mistake many people make is submitting statements without reviewing them. Errors like wrong names, incorrect figures, missing pages, or mismatched signatures can get your visa refused without you even knowing why. Never let an agent submit your statement without you cross-checking it yourself. Please take note of that. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this with someone who is preparing for visa so they can avoid these mistakes and save money. Drop your question in the comment section if you need clarification or bank statement for your visa application. If you are new here, my name is Jakut, your trusted guide for moving abroad legally. We simplify immigration and travel so you can clearly understand every step of your relocation journey. Through my guide and tutorial on Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms, many people have successfully traveled abroad for school, visit, jobs, and many other opportunities. I would love for you to be one of them too. Please remember, this video is for educational purposes only and does not replace legal advice. Visa policies change, so always verify details with your local consulate before applying. Your visa approval ultimately depends on you and your preparation. I am not an immigration lawyer, but I share simplified practical guides to help you relocate abroad confidently and also legally. If you are planning to relocate abroad this year or next year but don't know where to start or where to go, or you need a personal guidance, you can schedule a phone call with me and my team. We will work with you to help you make your relocation journey a reality. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep your relocation dream alive. Shalom.